same thing happened. Okay, try again.
We're in the bedroom, so we're gonna go to the living room.
Right here. Okay, here is the ad box.
Okay, here is the ad box.
Let's go. Oops.
I accidentally pressed the number 44.
Okay, as we're gonna say, we're gonna go inside the box. Ready for the first one? Okay, we got okay, let's do it again.
Arrow 2.
Okay, may I zoom in? Okay. Okay, press the spin button. Let's see what you're gonna get. Oh, you got 30. It kinda looks like a puzzle from the Jollibee app. It's a 9-piece puzzle, by the way. Uh-oh. Kinda messed it up here. Oh no. One of the pieces are not moving. One of the pieces aren't moving. One of the pieces aren't moving. Okay, I'm gonna stay out. Okay, go! And it's gonna be, oh, so close. Squeaky. Okay. I think we're gonna do this puzzle. I really like this puzzle. This is one easy puzzle here. I just want you to, just want the people that are watching this episode to see this puzzle. Okay, go. Let's see what's it gonna be. What's it gonna be? Fish giddies. Airplane gas. Okay, try again. Next one, here we go. And here is another puzzle. I just want people that are watching this episode to show this puzzle. Okay, here's a closer look. Oh, I got it. Okay. Get. And it's gonna be 20 coins. Okay, so let's get a calculator ready. So we got this big guy here, which is the iPad Mini 4, and this is calculator within a different font. So we could put 20. Okay, let's get back. Let's get 20. We're so close. Oh, I forgot. 40. It's 40. It's a puzzle again. Oh, got it. So easy here. Oh no. Where does this go? Here. This one? Here. Got it. Let's see what you're gonna get. 40! That was so close to 20. Seems like it's the puzzle again. It's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Oh no. Feel like I'm tapping on the calculator. Okay, I'll just look on the camera recording. Oh no. Oh no, it's not moving. That's weird. It's not even moving. This piece over here, it's not moving. Okay, let's see what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 20. Good boy. I think we should do 2 more spins. 2 more? Okay, 2 more spins and then we're gonna be done with the episode. Seems like it's a puzzle again. Okay, let's try with the puzzle. I'll try not to touch the calculator. Almost down. See, that's already there. Yay, got it. Let's see what you're gonna get. 20 coins!
Are you ready for this? This is the last one, okay?
Oh no. Why do I always keep messing up? I keep messing up!
We're gonna do the last spin in this episode, okay guys?
Finally, I've got it! You missed it! Ooh, another one. It's a puzzle again, and it's been. Ooh, careful! Be careful where you're going! You're placing the puzzles in wrong! You're putting the puzzles in wrong! You're putting the puzzles in the same place! Why are you putting the in the same place? Okay. Okay, that's preview? That's the preview. That's the Jollibee app. You only put in a piece. Oh no, you didn't press. Okay, let's see what you're gonna get. 10 coins. Okay. We got another 50 coins.